Hi everyone, in this video how we can connect to MongoDB with the username and password. In previous video we have installed MongoDB and we have created a Kumar database. So here I have created one more database SCHANDAK. So here this is the same screen last time we have seen. So here how we can connect to username and password for such purpose. So this is a simple query we should have to use here. Use whatever the database you are using. I'm using the same database, and here I am creating the user and password. So you can create your own user and you can create your own password. I have already created user as SCHANTAK I have used to, and the password I have used my own password. So once you click on this run button, the user will be created. So after that, what you will be do here, simply you can come to here and manage connections. So under the manage connections, if you want to create new connection, then you can create, or else if you want to edit the existing connection, then you can exist. Simply I'm trying to create the new connection. So here authentication, here under the authentication mechanism, so here perform whatever the user you have given, that means whatever the user you have created, so whatever the database you have created, that means I'm using the same database. I'm typing this, and user I have created, this is the username I have created, and password. Okay, so here you can see test authentication successful. So I have already connected. So if you want to save, you can save, and I'm exit from here. So this is a new connection. If I'm trying to connect, so this is a new connection. So here if you want to run anything, you can run. So by using this method we can connect to MongoDB with username and password. So this is about this video, guys. So stay tuned for more content. Thank you.